In this Sharp Saturday video, we're going to take a look at a knife from the Spyderco value line, the Spyderco Persistance. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name is Brian. Thanks for joining me. Survival on Purpose Sharp Saturdays are sponsored by Big Daddy Unlimited, your online superstore for everything that goes bang, everything that has blades, and all kinds of other cool outdoor gear. A Big Daddy Unlimited membership will save you money on the stuff you buy already. No question about it in my mind. I spend my money there because I save money there. A Big Daddy membership is just $10 a month or 99 bucks a year, but you can get your very first month for just 99 cents if you go to survivalonpurpose.com/BDU. And I'll put that link in the video description as well. I promise you, if they have it, it'll be the cheapest price you can find anywhere. They've never let me down. And by the way, they've got the best price I could find. I mean, literally the way best price I could find on today's knife, the Spyderco Persistance. The retail on this knife is about 70 bucks. Amazon and Blade HQ have it for 49 bucks. Big Daddy Unlimited has it for $35.99. That's almost 15 bucks lower than the lowest price. So if you want to support the channel and save money on the stuff that you buy already, you can go to survivalonpurpose.com/BDU. When you sign up, they'll throw me a couple of bucks and you'll save some money. So it's a win-win for everybody. So now, let's get down to the old barrel top, we'll call it. We'll take a closer look at this Spyderco Persistance. Okay, here's the Spyderco Persistance. And you can see it's a pretty nice looking little knife. Let's talk about the specs of this thing. It features a 2.75 inch full flat ground blade of HCR13 MOV steel. For those of you still stuck in that old metric system, that's 70 millimeters. The blade thickness is 0.122 inches or 3.1 millimeters. The open length is 6.9 inches or 175 millimeters. The closed length is 4.13 inches or 105 millimeters. Has black G10 handle scales and it weighs 3.7 ounces or 105 grams. It has this Spyderco thumb hole. It's a liner lock design, and the liners, both the liners are skeletonized. It means they've got some holes cut out of them for lighting underneath this G10. The G10 is actually screwed on, so I guess if you need to take it off, you can, but I don't know why you would need to. It is fully reversible, fully ambidextrous pocket clip. So it's got 3 screws here in the pocket clip. Right now, this one is set up for tip down carry. So you can do it left or right tip down carry, or you got the holes back here and they're threaded in there. You can use do it tip up carry, which is what I prefer. And then it's got the Spyderco ramp with the jimping right here. And it feels really good in your hand. The G10 handles, unlike a lot of them that are kind of sharp here, they're all rounded off. You know, there's all that edge is relieved. It's really a comfortable knife to hold in your hand. The clip doesn't really bite into my palm very much, and then it's got the open back so that you can keep it clean, because people say, well, that lets stuff get in there, but look, man, stuff's going to get in there. This lets you get it out pretty easily. And then again, it's got that, like I said, the full flat, they're calling it a full flat grind, but it's got that secondary bevel and pretty sharp. So, but let's just see how sharp. You know what we're going to do now, right? We're going to do the old redneck sharp test. It's brand new out of the box. Ooh-wee, look at there. So, I had one person comment not too long ago that they didn't like the redneck sharp test. They liked paper. So, we'll take the notes here. This is my little show notes, and we'll just see how well it works cutting paper. I'm losing my leverage there, but man, it's... Would you agree that that is stinking sharp? So what else can we do with it? Because let's be real, this is not a bushcraft knife. This is an EDC style knife. So, but we can see that it cuts paper, so it'll cut wrapping tape, it'll cut cardboard or whatever. But you know what we're going to do anyway. We got to do a little bit of standardized testing with it, because that's how I roll. So I got a little piece of wood here. I'm going to try to do some feathers on this, because I like curls. I like cutting curls. I just like it. It's fun. And for me, it's a good way to judge the edge of a blade because I've cut so many of these and done this so often. It kind of gives me a standard way of just checking how well something carves. And it's been raining out here for a few days, so I don't know how well this is going to follow the next part of our test, but we're going to give it a shot. Let's keep going. You can see we're carving some pretty nice little curls here, though. Not bad at all. It's and like I've said this before, but the every style grind, whether it's a flat grind or a saber grind or a Scandi grind or a hollow grind, they all take a little getting used to, and you have to, you know, kind of adjust your technique just a little bit. So at least I do. Maybe you don't, but you can see we get some really fine little curls there. So nice, decent little pile of curls there. So what I thought I would do is go ahead, since I've got, you know what this is, don't you? This is the old fat wood. Because I love me some fat wood. Which I had some t-shirts made with that on it, and they're not selling quite as well as I thought they would, but some people seem to, because it says I love me some fat wood on the back of it. And some people, I guess, just don't have enough self-confidence to wear those. I don't know. Maybe they think there's people with minds in the gutter that are going to make fun of them. And you know what? I'm not ashamed. I do love me some fat wood. Oh, look, there's the Kuma dog. Hey, Kuma, how'd you get out here? You can't see the Kuma dog right now, but he's there. So we got some curls there. Let's see how well it scrapes. Come here, Kuma. You want to be on TV? Come here. This thing doesn't have a real sharp spine on back, but we're going to try it. I'm going to put my thumb in this hole here because I don't want it closing up on my hand. I'm going to put a lot of pressure right here, so there's not a lot of pressure on the hinge. It actually scrapes really good. Way better than I thought it was going to be honest with you. Not bad at all. Look at that, would you? Would you just look at it? All right, so there's that. Now, what I thought we'd do is, it has been wet, but I'm going to try to strike a ferro rod on just the wood first. And this is the Exotech Fire Rod XL, which I really like a lot. Let's see what happens here. And look at that, even though it's been kind of damp out here, it struck pretty well. So let's put that on there, let him go, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you why I like me some fat wood. Love me some fat wood. One strike. Guess I need to screw my rod back in. Ooh, ain't that pretty? Well, she works. Chuck Norris once climbed to Mount Everest in 15 minutes after spending the first 14 building a snowman at the bottom. Okay, well, that was a hopefully reasonably coherent and unrambling look at the Spyderco Persistance, part of their Spyderco value line. And like I said, the best price I could find anywhere was, of course, at Big Daddy Unlimited for like $35.99, maybe $35. I can't remember, but definitely 14, 15 bucks cheaper than I could find it anywhere else. Again, it was like 50 bucks on Amazon. So it's about 70 bucks a list price on Spyderco's website. So again, if you buy any kind of outdoor gear, whether it goes bang, whether it's got blades, whatever, you need to check out Big Daddy Unlimited. It will save you money, I promise. I save money there all the time. I spend my money there because I save money there. So anyway, I'll shut up about that. That's again the Spyderco Persistence. I hope this has been helpful. As always, thanks for watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, my name's Brian. Survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.